Hi, my name is Sahaj Singh, and I'm a 17-year-old junior student at South Lake Carroll Senior High School in Texas, the United States. I'm incredibly excited to engage with this valuable opportunity of the Youth Assembly program because it will allow me to connect with students around the world who are just as politically charged and active as I am. I spent the last 6 years of my life honing my skills when it comes to communication in order to ensure that when I have opportunities like these, I can exploit them completely. For these past 6 years, I've been participating in congressional debate, an event of forensics that allows me to work with other people and argue my own side to win competitions that span from coast to coast. Because of my success, dedication, and effort, I've earned numerous accolades, from being the current state champion in congressional debate for Texas to championing the Harvard Congressional Leadership Conference of 2018. And as of right now, I'm the #1 ranked congressional debater in the nation. That event has taught me many things, not just how to talk, but how to work with other people. And I decided to translate those skills into real life. After 2015 and 2016, many people throughout the world began to become disillusioned with democracy. Because of populist wins left and right, people began to become apathetic and ignorant. I began Backpack, what has quickly become the largest student-run political action committee in the entire United States, to help solve that problem. We focus on the tenets of education, engagement, and reform, and have affected over 2,000 students in just a year of existence in order to ensure better participation in democracy as a whole. As we continue to expand and currently exist within 10 states, Youth Assembly would be a valuable opportunity to connecting other people with the projects I currently engage with, and also working with other people's projects around the world. Beyond Backpack and debate, I would love to participate in the Youth Assembly because I represent a voice that is often not represented in assemblies like these. I'm a Sikh minority in the United States who's also a United States citizen. I hope to bring a unique perspective with my background, my ethnicity, and my skills in order to further the education and learning of other students at the conference, but also ensure that I myself am exposed to complex backgrounds. I really do hope you consider me for this valuable opportunity because it will further both my projects and those of the world around me. Thank you so much for your consideration.